Today, you will learn how to paste text in Word without formatting so that only the plain text comes into your document. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. Imagine you opened an online article in your browser. You select some text with your mouse, then right-click on the selected text and click Copy. Now you open Microsoft Word and press Ctrl-V to paste. You will notice that the text keeps the same font style, font size, color, and sometimes even background shading from the website. This happens because Word pastes everything exactly as it was copied, including the formatting. Now I will show you how to stop this forever by changing a simple setting in Word. Open Microsoft Word. Look at the top left corner and click on the File tab. A new screen will open. From the left side, click on Options. This will open the Word Options dialog box. On the left side of this box, click on Advanced. Now scroll down slowly until you see a section called Cut, Copy, and Paste. Here you will see different options for how Word handles pasted text. The most important option for us is called Pasting from Other Programs. This controls what happens when you copy text from a browser, PDF, email, or any software outside Word. Click the drop-down menu next to it and choose Keep Text Only. If you want, you can also change the other options like pasting within the same document and pasting between documents to keep text only as well. But for most people, changing only the external source option is enough. After selecting Keep Text Only, click OK to save the settings and close the Word Options window. Now, this is very important. These settings do not change text that is already copied, so you must go back to the website or external source, copy the text again, then come back to Word and paste it. This time, you will see that only the plain text is pasted, without any strange formatting. The font, size, and style will match your Word document automatically. There is also a very quick method if you don't want to change settings. After pasting the text into Word, look at the small Paste Options button that appears near the pasted text. Click on it and choose Keep Text Only. You can also right-click in Word where you want to paste and select the Keep Text Only paste icon. This is very helpful when you need this feature occasionally. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel.